Question 7 says f is equal to 9c over 5 plus 32. F is equal to 9c over 5 plus 32. Make C the subject of formula. We have option A, B, C, D. So let's make C subject of formula and see which of these options suits the answer. Now, we have this to be f is equal to 9c over 5 plus 32. What we need to do here, we'll bring 32 to this other side of the equation. It becomes f is equal f minus 32 equal 9c over 5. If we cross multiply, this is over 5. If we cross multiply, this will come here. This is over 1. This will multiply this. So when we cross multiply, we're going to have this times this will give us 5 into f minus 32 equal 9c times 1 will give us 9c. We are looking for what? C. So if we make C the subject of formula, for us to make C subject of formula, we have to divide by the coefficient of C, which is 9. If we rearrange this equation this other way, this is the same thing as 9c is equal to 5 into f minus 32. When we divide by the coefficient of C here, which is 9, we have 9c equal 5 into f minus 32. We'll divide both sides by 9, the coefficient. This will take away this. Therefore, C is equal to 5 into f minus 32 divided by 9. So which of them suits the answer? We have option A. C is equal to 5 into f minus 32, all divided by 9. So the correct option is option A. Question 8 says, given that A is equal to this, make C the subject of formula. They say we should make C the subject of formula in this equation. We should make C stand alone. Now they gave us option A, B, C, and D. Let's solve and find the correct answer that suits this, or any of the answer that match these options. The equation is A is equal to 12 over C minus 8 over 3 in a bracket. This symbol, for us to remove this symbol, we have to take the square of both sides. So taking the square of both sides, we have taking the square of both sides. If we take the square of both sides, we have a square is equal to, this sign goes out, we're left with this, 12 over C minus 8 over 3. Now we have gotten, this is a fraction. For us to simplify further, we need to take the LCM of this fraction. The LCM of 3 and C is 3C. 3C divided by C is 3. 3 times 12 gives us 36. Minus 3C divided by 3 gives us C. C times 8 gives us 8C. This is equal to 8 to the power 2. And I've gotten to this point. What we need to do is to cross multiply. This will come here, and this is the same thing as over 1. When we cross multiply, this times this 3c times a squared gives us 3a squared c is equal to 36 minus 8c. Don't forget, they say we should make c the subset of formula, right? So what do we do here? We divide through by the coefficient of, so we collect like terms here. The ones with c comes to a particular side of the equation. We have 3a squared c. If this comes to this place, it gives us what? Plus 8c equal 36. If we factorize, there's something common here, right? Which is what? C. We have c here, we have c here, so we'll pick one. We have 3, what is left here? 3a squared plus 8 equal to what? 36. Now we need to divide both sides by the coefficient of c, which is the one, the variable or the values attached to c, which is this. Here we have c gives us 36 divided by 3a squared plus 8. So this is the final answer. Which of them suits our answer? So this is option B. This is this. Don't forget, this is not B, or this is 8. This is 8. This is 8, not B. This is 8. So the correct option here is what? Option B. 36 over a squared plus 8. Okay. Question 9. Question 9 says, we have a pie chart here. We have the percentage of our day to be 65.3%. We have POR to be 25.7%. We have IK to be 42.8%. We also have TIRE to be 73.4%. The question here says, the mark in percentage of 4 students in a test as shown on the pie chart drawn. Calculate the angle of the sector obtained by TIRE. And this is TIRE. We want to know this angle here. Don't forget, you have the options A to be 43.8 degrees, B 150.4 degrees, C 127.5 degrees, and D 85.5 degrees. Solution. Don't forget, we have sum of angles in a circle is equal to what? 360 degrees. Don't forget that sum of angles in a circumference is equal to what? 360 degrees. That means sum of angles in a circle is equal to 360 degrees. Now they said we should find it here. What we need to do is to add all these percentages together and divide by that of TIRE. Then multiply it by 360 degrees. So what we need to do here is percentage of TIRE divided by the total percentage times 360 degrees. So this is the same thing as the percentage of TIRE to be what? 73.4. 73.4% divided by the total percentage. That is the sum of all this percentage. We have 73.4 plus, are these what? 65.3 plus Paul is what? 25.7 and IK is what? 42.8. all is divided by 73.4 times 360 degrees. Now this is the same thing as 73.4. Sum up all these things and tell me the final answer. Okay, when we sum up this denominator, we have 73.4 plus 65.3 plus 25.7 plus 42.8 is going to give us 207.2 times 360 degrees. 73.4 divided by 207.2 is going to give us what? 0.35. 35 was 4 times 360 times 360. What's going to give us? And when you multiply this together, you're going to have what? 127.44. I know it has a lot of decimals that if you approximate, you're going to have 127.5. Don't forget, here we took it to 2 decimal places. So the correct option here is option C, 127.5. Let's move over to the next question, question 10. Question 10 says, what is the length of the intercept which the line 4x minus 4y equals 6? 3x minus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. What is the length of the intercept which the line 3x minus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0? Option A says minus 1 whole number 1 over 2. Option B, 2 over 3. Option C, 1 whole number 1 over 2. Option D, 4 over 7. We have the line of the equation. The line of the equation is given as what? 3x minus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now I've gotten this. Now let's rewrite this equation. Rewriting this equation, we have 3x minus 4y. This crosses the equality sign to this other side. This equals what? 6 plus 6. Here, they said when it intercepts, so we have x is equal to what? X is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, substitute 0 into this equation. We have 3, instead of writing x, we put 0 minus 4y is equal to 6. 3 times 0 is 0, so we have minus 4y is equal to 6. We are looking for y and not 4y. We are looking for y and not 4y. So what we do, we divide by the coefficient of y, which is minus 4. If we divide by the coefficient of y, we have divided by minus 4. This also divided by minus 4. This will take away this. We have y to be equal to 6 minus 6 over 4, which is the same thing as 1 whole number 2 over 4 minus. Now 4 times 1 is what? 4. 4 plus 2 gives us 6 divided by 4. That's this. So this is a mixed fraction. Now let's check which of the answer suits that. We have this. If we simplify further, 2 go here, you have what? is minus 1. 2 into this, we have 2. 2 into this, we have what? 1. This is 1 over 2. So the final answer there is option A.